This week, I challenged myself to stop guessing. Instead of trying one Temu FREE Gift method, I tried as many as I could find. The popular ones, the secret ones, the viral ones, even the random coupon codes people kept dropping in the comments. And honestly, most of them were out before the first round. The first method? Random coupon codes from old videos. Sounds easy, but the results were pretty forgettable. Small discounts, basic offers. Nothing that made me want to use it again, so that one was eliminated. Next, the viral trick everyone was copying. I followed it exactly. Same outcome, a lot of hype, very little difference. Out. Then I started testing coupon codes properly. Same account, same products, same shopping session. Only one thing changed each round, the code. That's when one code kept surviving every comparison, the code on the screen. Every time I started with it, the app gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, bonus reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift experience. So I pushed it even further. I compared it again. Different day, different products, same result. The code on the screen kept outperforming the random ones I had been using. That's when I stopped looking for the next best method, because I'd already found the one I kept choosing over everything else. And here's what surprised me the most. The winning method wasn't complicated. No weird tricks, no endless steps, just one habit. Start with the code on the screen, then let the app build the offers from there. Now, let's keep this completely honest. Does this mean every account gets identical rewards? No. Promotions rotate and results can vary, but after comparing method after method, this was the only one that consistently gave me the strongest mix of larger coupon bundles, better discounts, and more free gift opportunities. That's why it's the only method that survived my test. If you're only going to try one Temu FREE Gift method, make it the one with the code on the screen. Then come back and tell me, did it beat the random methods for you too?